What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are with another video, and this time I brought you guys a Hellcat. Plain and simple, 707 horsepower with a custom Vicrez body kit. Now, so if you are in the market for a body kit, as you guys know, I have one on mine. This is actually a brother of mine who has a Challenger himself. If you do have a narrow body Challenger, this is definitely a great option for you guys. So if you miss out on a wide body for whatever reason and you want to go with a custom wide body, the Vicrez does obviously work with these Challengers. So again, this is an all black one, really nice. He's got the Vox wheels, 20 by 11 all the way around with some Nitto tires, as well as he does have the Vicrez splitter and the rods as well. So really clean Hellcat. I mean, you know me, when it comes to the all black, you just can't go wrong with these. So go ahead, check it out. Again, if you guys want to take a look at the body kit, super nice. Check it out, really clean. Again, Vox wheels with the Brembos. So really nicely done. It was done by a shop here locally here in Chicago, but again, really nice. Check it out. So again, want to give you guys a little review on Vicrez body kit that goes on a Challenger Hellcat. If you guys missed out on getting a wide body, you can definitely go the Vicrez way and get yourself a custom wide body. Obviously, there are other options out there. You could go OEM, which plenty of people have done that before. There's no problem with that. It's just a little harder to get the parts, number one, and number two, it is rather expensive. I think you're looking anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 just for the OEM kits. Then you got to paint them, install them, all that kind of stuff. So again, Vicrez kit is a good option, especially on these nice Challenger Hellcat. Alrighty guys, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I do have a cool little video guys for you guys to watch out. Check it out. Again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.
You think your world is safe. It is an illusion. A comforting lie told to protect you. Enjoy these final moments of peace.